Hello, in this video I will show you how you can combine multiple Microsoft Word files in one file. And now let's quickly see how we can do that. So I opened a blank Word document and I want to insert these three Word files in it. One about Earth, one about Solar System, and one about the Sun. So how can I do that? First of all, let me close them. And have a new document. I will go into Insert, and here in the text section you can see Object. I will click on this small arrow here and I will select the text from file. This, as it says, inserts the text from a file into your publication. Then I go and choose my files from the folder called Word Files, and I will select them as you see here, and I press Insert. And as you saw, first the Earth, second the Solar System, and third the Sun. Why did they come in this order? Because in the folder they are ordered in this way. But what if I want to order them in a different way? I can do a small trick to arrange them in the way that I want. I will number, for example, Solar System as 1 because I want it in the beginning, then Sun second, then Earth as third, and I will refresh. Now you see they are ordered according to the number. And let me, for example, open a new blank document. From here, do the same thing, insert text from file, and I will select them, press insert. Now as you see, first it started by Solar System, then the Sun, and third with the Earth as the new order that I made using these numbers. So I hope this video was helpful for you to let you combine multiple Word files in one file. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to like and share this video.